Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent chain and functional groups. The molecule contains 3 ketone C is equal to O groups. We need to find the longest continuous carbon chain that includes all 3 carbonyl carbons. Step 2. Trace the longest chain. Starting from the terminal methyl of 1-acetyl group, trace through CH3C is equal to O, CH, CH3, CH2C is equal to O, CH2, 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 CH, C2H5, C is equal to O, CH3. Counting carbons along this backbone, C1, CH3, C2, C is equal to O, C3, CH with methyl branch, C4, CH2, C5, C is equal to O, C6, CH2, C7, CH2, C8, CH2, C9, CH with ethyl branch, C10, C is equal to O, C11, CH3. This gives an 11-carbon chain parent chain undecaying. Step 3. Identify substituents and their positions. Ketone oxygens at C to C5 and C10 trione suffix, undecaying 2, 5, 10 trione. Methyl branch at C3. Ethyl branch at C9. Step 4. Assign lowest locants. Numbering from left, C1 is equal to terminal CH3 of first acetyl, gives substituents carbonyl at 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. Numbering from right gives 2, 3, 7, 9, 10. Left to right numbering gives the lower set at first point of difference, position 3 methyl versus position 9 ethyl, 3, 9, confirming the chosen direction. Step 5. Compile the IUPAC name. Parent chain, undecaying, 11 carbons. Ketones, 2, 5, 10 trione. Substituents, 3 methyl, 9 ethyl. Alphabetical order, ethyl before methyl. Full name, 9 ethyl, 3 methylindecane, 2, 5, 10 trione. No alternative options are provided, so no elimination is required. Therefore, the correct answer is 9 ethyl, 3 methylindecane, 2, 5, 10 trione. The correct answer is shown on screen.